Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the In the Post series number 42. We'll start off with some general housekeeping that you get to do once in a while. We have some stamps here. There's a couple of nice ones of a paper bird there. We have a lovely one of a moth or a butterfly. Not 100% sure what that one is, and a couple of UK standard coins. We also have here a Paddington at the Station gold card. I have all of the change checker cards at the moment. We have here the £2, and it's the latest £2, and it is Ada Lovelace. We'll be dealing with that one in a separate video. But it's a lovely one. It's the latest innovation of science, of course. We then have, the blue card, change checker £5 coin of the police for the 40 years of the Synchronicity album, and also the coloured bunk version there. So they again will be something special on. They have their own video. The last one, or one of the last ones in this particular one, hang on, I've got any more before I go any further. Oh yes, he's pointed out to me I was one coin short of the Isle of Man anniversary set, Diamond Jubilee set I believe it was, and it was a St Edward's crown. I now have purchased that one. I'll be adding it to the set in due course. And the final one for this particular way round, we have a lovely raw mint paper bag here. It's taken me a while, it's taken me since May to be able to get hold of this and find it at a decent price where it wasn't sort of 80 or 90 quid. I got it for about half that price, but it is the strike on the day, the 6th of May 2023, 50p from the King's coronation. So I've now got the complete set of these coins. We have of course the crowned version of the King there. This was on, I bought this third party via eBay. As I said, I've had to wait a while because they were going for ridiculously high prices of 90, 80, 90, £100 at one point on the secondary market. I've waited, was it May, June, July, August, so I've waited just over 3 months and I got it for half that price, half the top price, £45. So although it's still quite expensive, it wasn't as expensive as it would have been if I bought it straight away on the just after the 6th of May. If I'd have bought it in May, I'd have been paying double that for that particular strike on the day. I will be doing a full review on the strike of the day, and I may well include in that particular video the information about the other coins in the set. So we have the strike on the day, we have the completer coin that I needed for the Diamond Jubilee from the Isle of Man, the St Edward's crown. I have the blue carded £5 music icon, the police. I have the coloured £5 coin bunk pack of the police as well. And lastly we have the latest £2 coin in the the latest coin to be released by the Mint. It's a £2 Ada Lovelace coin, which is the Innovation of Science series, the latest one in the Innovation of Science. So that's those, and as I said, we have the other bits and pieces that we always get with stamps and a trading card. So that completes this particular one. I know it's a bit short compared to the other ones I've done in the past, but I do have a couple of other in the posts to record of stuff that came in just before this stuff came in. So if you've enjoyed this particular video, short as it is, Would you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. And if you haven't yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I am trying very hard to get to around about 250 subscriptions by the end of this year of 2023. I'm currently standing at 196 as of the 12th of August, which is a very important date to me. So in the sense that it was in fact my 63rd birthday today when I'm recording this. So thank you for watching. If you do feel like subscribing to me and you believe I deserve it, I will very happily accept your subscription, and hopefully you'll enjoy videos to come from me in the future. Until we meet up again, how can I put it? Lost my train of thought there, Steve. Edit that part. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins or notes, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which will be not too far into the distant future, hopefully. Until then, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.